Hello, Wayland Middle Schools. Mr. Farley here. Just going to give you a quick video here on lesson 2. Continuing is it a function? We're going to look at a way to represent a function by mapping, it's called. So just so you know, the left oval right here, this is your input, which is your x, and the right oval is the output, which is the y's. Okay, so it'll always be like that throughout all of these examples. The left is the x, which is your input, and the right oval will be your Y. You probably want to put those in, write that along so you're familiar with that and you can drive that point home. So what we want, though, to determine whether or not this is a function, we want to look at the inputs and we want to make sure each of the inputs only map to one output. And if you look at this first example, A, the input of A, there's only one arrow that brings us to an output of D. Okay, so this is good. This would lead us to a function. If we look at B, B only maps to one output, which is E. That's a good thing. And finally, C, the input of C, maps to only one output, which is E. Even though B and C have the same output, that's okay. This is still a function. The most important thing to look for is to be sure that each input only goes to one output. So A would be a function. All right, there you go. Let's look at B for a minute. Does A, the input of A right here, only go to one output? No, it does not. It doesn't. So this is not a function. You know immediately that that is not a function. All right. Let's look at the last one. Pretty clear. Pretty clear on letter D right here. The input of A goes to multiple outputs, not a function. And we'll go back in time. Let's go to letter C. Letter C has an input of A. It goes to one output. C goes to one output. And the input of D goes to one output. That would lead us to a function. So we have two functions here, letter A and letter C. Both B and D are not a function. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let us know, and we will be sure to help you out. Take care, everyone.